music of your soul, a symphony composed. You're always lonely. Can I follow you back to your room, watching you come in the light of the moon? Can I follow you back to your arms, wash it all off in the river of your heart? There's a million different songs that I like to sing, watching you come in the light of the moon. Your loneliness will never be lost on me. So reach out and reach out, don't be a stranger. There's a million different songs that I learned to sing, watching you bloom in the light on the moon. Your loneliness will never be lost on me. So reach out and love, and don't be a stranger. Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone,